Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve LeVay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Currently, we're up 680 on the S&Ps. It seems like we're starting to fade a little bit from the highs of about 12 a little while ago. 59 on the Dow and flat on the NASDAQ. Two stocks me in the chat room we're looking at today. Let's go right to the charts and see what they were. First one is one of my favorites, SRPT. The one thing that I can't stand right now about SRPT is the fact that it's in the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker basically says that you cannot hit stocks down when it's down 10% on the day. So in other words, I can't hit the bid to get short. So it makes it a little harder for my two-way trading style on this thing. But it did give us a really good entry off of the 5-minute bar here at 9:30. And I'll show you this trade. Off the bell, it tried to go up. It failed basically at yesterday's high of 45. As you can see, it got up here once, got up here again, and now it hasn't looked back since. So what happens? We get a little bit of a short off up here. You can trade it down here. It never even looks back at that 44.90 area. And then it just sets up a little bit of a base right here around 42.5. Once it broke 42.5, guys, the trade was on. And then it took out the morning low, 41.28. And in one bar, actually 2 bars, it went to 38.22. The circuit breaker kicked on, and now the trade is hovering between basically 39.5 and 42. So I'm going to look at this for a move at some point later on. It's a lot harder to short this thing now because of the circuit breaker. But if it goes below 40, it might trigger a little more selling down to the 36 level. If it gets back above 42, wouldn't surprise me to see this thing back at highs later on today. Again, great drug news for it yesterday. Really propelled it 200% higher. So we'll see what happens with that one. The other stock I'm looking at is Yelp, Y-E-L-P. And let me just show you the daily on Yelp here. This stock has been in a nice bull flag setup for a while, and you can extend these lines a little bit now. Okay, so you can go like that. And now it's just trending higher. I'm waiting for a move above this bar right here, which is 28.93, for a move that could take us back to all-time highs, which come into play at 31.96. So a move above 29 could really push this thing higher. It needs a little bit of volume. It's a little slow today, as you can see by the chart. It is going higher, but you know it's stalling out around that 28.90 area. So give it some time, see what happens today. It might take an upgrade, might take earnings. We'll see what happens. But those are the two stocks we were able to look at today, make a little money in them, and we'll get them later on, gang. So with that, I'll talk to everybody on the VTF. Everybody have a great day.
Hi, I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer for T3 Live, and I would like to invite you to join us on October 6th and 7th in New York City for our first annual T3 Live Active Trader Super Conference. The 2-day event will focus on what we believe to be the 5 keys to being a successful trader. We will teach you the strategies, tactics, and mindset we take to the market every single day. And you will leave the Super Conference with a personal step-by-step success blueprint. Visit T3Live.com and click on the Education tab on the top of the page and watch preview videos of this event. Seats will fill up quickly, so be sure to reserve yours today. My colleagues and I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.